Toots, that's Mark, and that's the frozen Detroit River. Over here is, what do you call the place?
Cobo, but it's actually Huntington.
Yup. And we're getting ready for the
2025 Detroit Boat Show, brought to you by
Money Pit Boating.
Yeah, insert sponsor.
Let's go.
It says do not enter.
Trying to get to this boat show, we can't find parking. We'll figure it out. They mean Cobo.
Yeah. I wonder if like the parking thing's over there and we walk over. Are those little P's for parking everywhere?
We only know how to navigate the seas.
Should we try and like park in the casino? This guy is, I don't know. Want to just try and park in this one Detroit garage? Is my truck too tall? My antenna is just gonna get murdered. I mean, I see other trucks.
Yeah. It's getting tighter.
I know. Look at that sign. First time? Yep.
There's a bunch of openings. And without any issue at all, we're here. Mark just stepped inside to use the toilet. See how that goes. How'd it go? Horrible. He just had the double hand prayer motion. They hooked him up. Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished, man. Oh, the guy's like, no. I was like, dude, it's just a number one, man.
Here we are at the Huntington place, formerly known as Cobo Hall.
Hopefully we can get in here and figure out what the deal is.
So where are we headed?
We are trying to find the main office to get our credentials. Yeah, see, boat show office right here.
They do not want to talk to you.
Hi, nice to finally meet you. Okay, thank you.
Sorry, I'm giving these out to you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
So,
That's the main entrance, and they come in and go down the main front or the center.
thank you so much. Now that we're here, we gotta find Twiggy.
Twiggy?
He's a water skiing squirrel.
Oh my God, is that the people mover track right there?
I think you might be right. That might be the people mover.
Right? The people mover is Detroit's monorail, I guess. Oh, there's the people mover.
Ah, there it is with the lion.
Yeah, we wanted more too.
Like, screw the boat. I want this thing, the trailer, and then we get to build whatever we want.
I wonder if there's some kind of system involved with the movements that all these people are taking that we just don't see.
All these people seem to know what they're doing. Everyone's doing their load in because they know what they're doing. We don't. So this is the entrance right here that we were going to. So I think we are right here.
We're gonna have the tropical booth.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Get ready for it. What I think the craziest thing about this place is they just let us walk around unsupervised.
Yeah. It has a switch on it that I really want to switch, but it's not ours.
We can't get kicked out this
First
early.
show. Can't get kicked out. All right, boat show. We'll see you Friday.
See you then.